Hello everyone, welcome to my High Celebrities news channel. The story for today is Kim Kardashian is officially single again. On Wednesday, a Los Angeles judge ruling in the 41-year-old reality TV star's contentious divorce from Kanye West, granted her request to be declared legally single immediately and settle child custody and money issues later. The legal action is called bifurcation, which West opposed. Kardashian, wearing a black blouse and her hair swept back, appeared via video today at a court in downtown LA. West, 44, did not appear in person nor via video. Judge Steve Cochran granted her request to have her maiden name restored, and he denied West's motion to prevent Kardashian from transferring assets out of trusts set up during the marriage. The feuding couple, both billionaires, had their high-powered attorneys in court Wednesday, Laura Wasser for Kardashian and Samantha Spector for West. Spector was only appointed last night after West fired his previous lawyer. Judge Cochran began today's hearing by asking Kardashian how her 4 children by the hip-hop star and producer, North, 8, Saint, 6, Chicago, 4, and Psalm 2, are doing. "Everybody is doing okay," she responded. Asked by the judge if she was showering her children with affection, she replied, "Absolutely." She added, "We're having so much fun." After asking Kardashian to raise her right hand to be sworn in, Judge Cochran asked her a series of 5 questions. "Is everything true in your petition?" "Yes," she replied. "Did you live in Los Angeles at least 6 months prior to filing for divorce?" "Yes." "Is your marriage irretrievably broken?" "Yes." "Will counseling save your marriage?" "No." "Is it your desire to be granted single status?" "Yes." With a grin, the judge told Kim it was his practice to see photos of children involved in cases before his court. But in this case, he added, he did not ask to see pictures, to protect the children's privacy. "Is that okay with you?" "Yes, Your Honor, thank you," she responded with a smile. Wasser told the court that she didn't believe there would be any disagreements between the celebrity couple over custody of their kids. But she and West's attorney, Spector, hit roadblocks on 2 other issues. The first was Kanye's request to prevent Kim from transferring assets out of any trust, a request Kim has fired back at due to their existing prenup, which already keeps their trusts and assets separate. Wasser told the court today that Kim uses these trusts for her business and to freeze her assets would create problems. It would prevent her from doing business. The second point of dispute was West's request for Kim to waive marital privilege. Waiving marital privilege would mean all of their communication would no longer be private and instead would be part of the court record. Wasser branded the request unprecedented and accused West of trying to prevent or make it difficult for Ms. Kardashian to remarry in the future. Judge Cochran denied West's attempt to stop Kardashian from taking money out of her trusts, and he also denied the rapper's request for her to waive marital privilege, telling the court, the law provides no support for that condition. The judge scheduled August 5 for a status and pre-trial hearing to hear arguments from both sides about financial and child custody issues still to be settled. Following the court appearance, Samantha Spector, the 4th divorce attorney to represent West in the proceedings, shared a statement to dispel a few mistruths. Kanye's paperwork has always indicated that his problems with the divorce were only procedural, she claimed, before saying that her client would be providing any official comment at that time. Moreover, he was always in support of the divorce only if Kim satisfied the procedural requirements to protect rights under the California law, the same rights afforded to any litigant going through a divorce. She continued, "Today it was determined and addressed in court that Kim initially did not have the proper paperwork to get the bifurcation of the marital status. As mentioned in our statement yesterday, he is focusing his entire attention to their children." Kardashian's new legal status means that West is also legally single, and a source close to the rapper claimed that he also wants the divorce to proceed, though that doesn't align with his delay tactics in court or his public statements about trying to get his wife back. She filed for divorce in February 2021 and the couple initially seemed to be on the same page, but in recent weeks West has taken to attacking her boyfriend Pete Davidson on social media. He has also repeatedly posted text conversations that appear to be with his estranged wife, including one conversation in which she appeared to write, "Why can't you keep any of our conversations private? 'Cause I got a text from my favorite person in the world," he allegedly replied. "I'm your #1 fan. Why wouldn't I tell everyone?" Kardashian doesn't appear to have any desire to slow down her divorce, but her ex has shared multiple times in public that he hopes to win her back. West's ex previously filed documents claiming that his recent social media posts have been riddled with misinformation, and she claimed their attacks on her and her boyfriend Pete Davidson have caused her emotional distress. "I believe that the court terminating our marital status will help Kanye to accept that our marital relationship is over and to move forward on a better path which will assist us in peacefully co-parenting our children," Kardashian wrote in documents filed on February 23, according to Rolling Stone. West's attorneys said Kardashian would need to prove he had personally written the posts, though they didn't appear to explicitly deny that he had written them in their own filings. Kim claims she read something online allegedly by Kanye and characterizes the posts in her declaration as misinformation. The social media posts are not attached to the declaration. Kim needed to offer the social media posts into evidence, and show that the posts were written by Kanye, his lawyers wrote, adding that Kardashian's claims amount to double hearsay. Although West's attorneys appear to be raising doubts about whether he is responsible for posts on his social media account, he seems to have taken steps in his posts to cast himself as their author. In a since-deleted Instagram post, the rapper shared a photo of himself holding up a yellow notepad that read, "My account is not hacked," and the date, 2/13/22. The post's caption featured the recognizable breathless all-capitals style that many of West's recent posts have adhered to. "My account is not hacked," the post repeated in the caption, before noting that West would be taking his children to Sunday service, followed by the Super Bowl. He also included a note to SNL Weekend Update anchor Michael Che offering to pay him double whatever they paying you to get him away from cast member Pete Davidson. Sources claimed to TMZ that the musician and fashion designer has not been working closely with his legal team. Instead, he made it clear that he didn't want to divorce Kardashian, but left it up to his attorneys to craft a legal strategy for him, though he now seems to be back on board with a divorce. That is all for today news. Thank you for watching to my channel. Please be sure to leave your comment and subscribe below for more news update.